Hi everyone! Today, I will show you how to add a drop-down menu in Shopify. Shopify is the all-in-one commerce platform that helps you start, run, and grow a business. You can grab the link to this tool in the description below if you want to follow along. So with that, let's get started. Look at your left sidebar and click on Content. From the options that appear, click on Menus. Click on the specific menu you want to edit, such as your main menu. To create a drop-down, you need a main top-level link first. If you don't have one, click Add Menu Item, name the label shop, click into the link field, select Collections, and choose All Collections. Next, click Add Menu Item again to create the item you want inside your drop-down. Click into the link field, select Collections, choose your specific candle collection. Now, find the menu item you just created. Click and hold the drag icon next to its name, drag the item directly underneath your main top-level link, then slide it slightly to the right, let go of the item, it will nest right under the main link, creating your drop-down structure. You can repeat this drag and drop step for any other items you want to include in this drop-down group. Once your layout looks perfect, look at the top right corner of your screen and click Save Menu. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to add a drop-down menu to Shopify. Thanks for watching. If this video helped, be sure to give it a like and subscribe for more quick website guides. Don't forget to add to cart your next big idea. Until next time.